Are you ready to start earning online but feel completely lost about where to begin? What if I told you that you could earn your first $500 to $1,000 in the next 60 days, even if you've never sold a single thing in your life? Stick with me, because what I'm about to share could completely change your financial future. So many people feel stuck in a job they don't love, frustrated with their finances, or maybe you're a student tired of asking for money, or a stay-at-home mom looking for your own income stream. I get it. I've been there. The feeling of wanting more but not knowing the right steps to take can be overwhelming. You see others succeeding online and think, why not me? Well, I'm here to tell you, it absolutely can be you. That's why I created the rare easiest affiliate marketing blueprint. This isn't just another complicated course that leaves you with more questions than answers. It's the simplest, most straightforward program designed specifically for beginners like you. We're talking a step-by-step system to earning an extra income online through affiliate marketing, which is just promoting other people's products for a commission. You don't need any prior experience. You don't even need to be a computer whiz. Inside this blueprint, we cut through all the noise. I'll show you the simplest formulas to earn your first commission without needing any experience. You'll learn the critical mistakes most beginners make that cause them to fail, and more importantly, how you can completely avoid them, worried you don't have a huge social media following. Don't be. I'll teach you how to build a profitable affiliate business without one. You'll also get a look inside the minds of the top 1% of affiliate marketers. We'll break down what they do differently and how you can copy their exact strategies for your own success. We'll cover how to handle customer questions and objections like a pro and, most importantly, how to build a steady, reliable income stream through affiliate marketing. But let's be real. Success isn't just about strategy, it's about mindset. So, we'll also dive deep into the kind of mindset you need to cultivate to see real, lasting results. It's time to let go of that self-doubt and start believing in your own potential. Now, why is this course the one for you? Because it's simple and direct. And like other programs that overwhelm you with information, my course breaks everything down into easy-to-follow, digestible steps. You won't feel confused or left behind. I was once a beginner with zero knowledge, so I know exactly where you're at and designed this to be the guide I wish I had. Let's peek inside the course, shall we? In Module 1, we start with a welcome, get your mindset right for success, and show you exactly how to navigate the training dashboard. In Module 2, we dive into the fundamentals of selling, lead generation, and sales funnels. I'll show you how to find and use your unique affiliate links and set up your social media profiles to attract customers. We even cover automation, so you can have systems working for you in the background. Module 3 is all about traffic, how to get eyes on your offers. We'll explore different organic traffic sources and the 3 main types of ads. Then, in Module 4, we get practical. You'll learn how to generate leads organically on Facebook and TikTok, even using faceless content if your camera is shy. We also have simplified guides to running effective Facebook and TikTok ads, from setting up your accounts to launching your first campaign. And in Module 5, we tackle real-world newbie challenges, provide you with copywriting scripts, and even throw in some free personal development books as a bonus. This course is designed to solve your struggles by giving you the guidance, support, and real income potential you've been looking for. Don't just take my word for it. Let me show you what my mentees have achieved under my guidance. Real people, just like you, who decided to take a chance on themselves. They followed the blueprint, put in the work, and are now seeing the results. So, what are you waiting for? Your journey toward financial freedom is waiting. For just $5, you get access to everything you need to start. Stop letting frustration and doubt hold you back. It's time to take action. Click the link in the description below to get started immediately. Let us make that goal of earning $500, $1,000 in 60 days or less a reality for you. Thank you for watching. And I can't wait to see you inside the course. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.